entertainment industry in our country, which provides direct employment every day to 5 lakh people. At a time when the financial situation is in a depressing state and employment is at the worst level, in order to divert the attention of the people, we are being used to be flogged by the social media and the government's non-support. Sir, people who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter. I completely disagree and I really disassociate, and I hope the government tells these people who have made their earning, name and fame in this industry to stop using such language. There are people in the entertainment industry who are some of the highest taxpayers. They are still being harassed. Sir, I think the government must stand by the entertainment industry, because the entertainment industry always comes forward to help the government in whatever good work that the government takes up. They come and speak for them, they support them. If there is a national calamity, they come forward, they give money, they give their services. I think that it is very, very important that the government must support this industry and not kill it just because there are few people. You cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
Right.
I think it's time, whether it's Nirbhaya, whether it's Kathua, or whether whatever happened in Hyderabad, I think the people now want the government to give a proper answer and a very definite answer. Sir, I think that these people need to be shamed in front of the entire country. People who have not done their jobs properly, of course, the guys who've committed the crime, definitely.
Right, ma'am.
अगर ऐसा इस तरह की चीज़ें जब कुछ कंट्रीज़ में होती हैं, वहाँ पब्लिक इसको जस्टिस देती है. मेरा सजेशन है, I know it's a little harsh, but I think these kind of people need to be brought out in public and lynched. आपने तो इस तरह का लिख दिया है सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ आइडेंटिटी फॉर अ ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन. सबसे पहले तो आपने उनको सेग्रीगेट कर दिया अलग. अगर वो इंसान जाई ना और बताई ना, तो कहाँ से सेग्रीगेशन होगा, कहाँ से सर्टिफिकेट होगा? वो तो आम आदमी की तरह जा सकता है, वो झूठ भी बोल सकता है. और इसमें टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स बहुत हैं, उसके ऊपर बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दिया गया. What is the need to humiliate them like this? That you have to go and tell a committee or the DM that you are transgender? It's very humiliating. It's very humiliating. क्या सरकार ने उस परिवार को किसी तरह की संवेदना जताई? Did you publicly make any announcement saying that we are really sorry that something so shameful has happened in our country? Forget the state. And we will take very, very strict actions. I'm very worried about the parents of this girl. What is going to happen to her? Everybody will forget. But she will remember for the rest of her life. It will be a scar. It's a terrible mental torture, more than physical. You have mentioned that anemia among children from 6 months to 59 months is 69.4%. That's आधी आबादी. और आपका जो rate of attending to this problem is 3% per year. 3%. How many years will it take for you to really be effective and produce a generation of healthy children?
सो मंत्री जी, मुझे लगता है कि इसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा।